Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, buddy. Hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for watching the video. And thank you for supporting the channel with your questions, comments, and feedback. Today's video is going to show you part of a flight from Smyrna, Tennessee to Laconia Municipal Airport in the Lakes region of New Hampshire. This video will show you our arrival, descent, and ultimately our entry into the traffic pattern and landing at the Laconia Municipal Airport in Gilford, New Hampshire. Come along with us, and I hope you enjoy the video. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified of new content when we post it. Thank you again for watching the videos. I hope you enjoy it.
November 379 Juliet Mike, contact Boston approach 124.9er.
24.99, Juliet Mike, have a great one. Good afternoon, Boston approach Vision 379 Juliet Mike, 11.7 descend at 11,000. We have information for Laconia expecting a visual.
Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, Boston approach Manchester altimeter 29901, expect visual approach, descend and maintain 6,000.
2999, we'll expect a visual down to 6,000, 9 Juliet Mike.
Air 5 Juliet Bravo, traffic a mile south of the airport, looks like in the pattern, altitude indicates 500, change to advisory frequency approved.
Alright, still descending to 1,500, down to 6,000. Or 1,500 feet a minute, down to 6,000.
Turn left heading 0.
Vertical speed, indicating 215.
That's aircraft in the Skydive Lebanon Airport, parachute jumping in 1 minute from 6,500. November 981, contact Nashville Tower 133.2. 133.2. Run 210 to set and maintain 5,000. 5,000, coach 10. And last aircraft checking in, VFR taken.
A little bumpy.
Stallion 1232 Echo Boss approach, command course at altimeter 29990. Angel flight 1925, the reason for the destination change?
We don't like the wind at Portsmouth.
Angel flight 1925, rudder.
Alright, 4 degrees.
Run 6036 miles from Yokins, turn left heading 020. Altitude your discretion, maintain VFR, cleared RNAV runway 34 approach. Run 603, flighting 010.
This cloud's a little bit denser than the other, so we're going to slow down. Temp above freezing.
Air 530 Mike Boston approach, forces altimeter 29990. Run 210, change by frequency 125.05. Run 210, thank you. Angel flight 1925, turn right heading 100, descend and maintain 4,000.
100 and heading descend and maintain 4,000, Angel flight 1925.
The 603, contact course to tower 128.4. Air 14, contact approach 118.25.
All right.
00 Mike, maintain VFR at or above
14 feet to go.
2,500 through the Portsmouth class Delta.
There's the airport in sight, bub.
November 530 Mike, clears to the Portsmouth class Delta at or above 2,500. Toronto 210, descend and maintain 4,000, flying 110 vector sequence.
Departure Cherokee 687 Whiskey out of Manchester, 900 climbing for 3,000.
6872 Whiskey, Boston departure, radar contact, save request.
We're just looking to do air, we're about 10 miles to the northwest of Manchester Airport.
Air 72 Whiskey, turn right on course and climb to your requested VFR altitude.
Turn right on course, we'll climb at requested altitude, 72 Whiskey.
Sky can...
Cool.
Boston approach, Angel Flight 1925 has Bravo at launch.
Angel Flight 1925, Roger, just advise the next controller. Traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 3,200.
Vertical track.
Another traffic, Angel Flight 1925.
There are 268 Julie, Boston approach, Portsmouth altimeter 2990.
Massive traffic, Skyhawk 1762 Juliet, 10 miles to the south inbound, runway 32, massive traffic. Traffic for
Air 900 Juliet Mike, Laconia Airport, 12 o'clock, 10 miles, advise the site, send and maintain 4,000.
We do have the airport in sight now, and we'll descend to 4,000, and just for your plan, we'll cancel IFR just so once we get through this build-up here.
Air 900 Juliet Mike, cleared visual approach, Laconia Airport, cancel immediately at this frequency when able.
All right, clear visual, and we'll cancel when able, 9 Juliet Mike.
Angel Flight 1925, turn right heading 170.
170, Angel Flight 1925.
Angel Flight 1925, traffic.
Definitely don't want to make the mistake of canceling your IFR.
1,400 appears climbing.
Right.
A little too soon.
Oh, these clouds.
Traffic
Yeah.
Angel Flight 1925.
No, we're good now, so. Boston approach, Virginia 379, Juliet Mike has field sight, and we'll cancel IFR.
Air 900 Juliet Mike, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, change advisory approved.
Well, Scott, VFR, change advisory, have a great day, thanks. 9 Juliet Mike.
Altitude your discretion.
Mansfield traffic, Sky K3 Gulf, crosswind.
Angel Flight 1925, traffic, no factor, sliding 100.
100 on the heading.
All right, let's go down to 3.
Mansfield traffic, Sky K3 Gulf, downwind, 22 grass, Mansfield.
Yeah, 1600, I'll get it. Laconia traffic visiting jet 379, Juliet Mike, descending on 4,500, currently 10 miles to the west of the field. Going to set up for a left downwind runway 26, Laconia, moves full stop. Laconia traffic. Laconia traffic, Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike is in left downwind, runway 26, full stop, Laconia. Alrighty. Speed check first, flaps. 2,000 feet AGL, autopilot off.
I got traffic 4820 is 8 miles to the south-southwest, 1,100 feet maneuvering Augusta.
Speed checks, gear coming down.
Traffic CI 17. 3 miles to enter downwind runway 2.
Speed check, flaps going full. Picking up a little turbulence from the terrain there, huh?
Yes.
Laconia traffic, Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike is turning left base, runway 26 over the lake. In Laconia. I don't know if that dude's even talking to anybody.
Laconia traffic, Archer 40812, 3 mile final for 26, Laconia.
Is that him?
Vision Jet 379
Altitude.
Juliet Mike, we have that traffic in sight and we're slow for the arrival.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Center flaps full.
Minimums.
Continuing. Laconia traffic, Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike is on a 2 mile final, runway 26 Laconia with the landing traffic in sight. We'll be full stop.
One thing that's really important when landing at a non-towered airport like Laconia Municipal Airport is for you to state your intentions when landing. In other words, are you going to do a touch and go or a full stop landing? But nonetheless, it's important that you state your intentions. In this case, the preceding aircraft that landed did not state their intentions. So at this point in the flight, we weren't sure if they're going to do a touch and go on the runway
500.
or taxi off.
Pre-green, pressurization is good. Fully configured. Laconia traffic, Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike is short final with the landing traffic in sight. Laconia.
I was prepared at this point in the flight to conduct a go-around if necessary.
Laconia traffic, Archer 4012, clear of 26 at Echo.
Hampshire.
Hello, Don. Your car is down at Scott's hangar.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Lee.
You're welcome.
Laconia Traffic Division Jet 379, Juliet Mike, clear of all runways in Laconia, taxiing Bravo Charlie to the hangar. Laconia Traffic.
Traffic, ground vehicle is clear of the axis, Laconia.
Well, I appreciate you guys coming along on today's flight, and until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next video.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.